Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm an Icelandic Chinese artist currently based in Beijing. I make weekly videos for you guys, hoping to inspire you to be you. Just be brave enough to just be yourself, the unique person that you are. And also hoping to inspire you to access your own inner creative child through my videos. So today I'm actually just going to be ranting about a subject that is really close to my heart. I feel very strongly about it. It took me a really long time to embrace this part of myself, or to embrace myself overall and understand the importance of knowing who you are and staying authentic to you. I spent the beginning of my career following my path, right? I've had other careers in the past, but as an artist, I began my career asking everyone around me what they thought. I wanted to know everyone else's opinions. What did they think about my work? What did they think I should do? And I was gathering all this information from everyone, and I realized that I put my own opinion last. I just didn't trust myself. I didn't know myself well enough, and I didn't trust myself. And I'm not saying that you shouldn't ask around and ask other people who have had more experience than you what they think. You know, it's good to have mentors, but you need to first connect with yourself. You have to connect with yourself, because otherwise you're following other people's ideas and opinions without a base, and that's gonna fall. It's like building a building without a structure. The structure is you. You have to know who you are, what you stand for, and remain authentic in every possible moment that you can, while also getting mentors or asking mentors for what they think is best. Does that make sense? So the most important thing for an artist, or for someone who is trying to pursue their dreams, their purpose, their alignment, is to first check in with yourself and understand. Try to understand yourself, get to know yourself on a deep level. Ask yourself all the difficult questions first. Ask yourself that every day if you need to. You might not have the answers now, but continue to develop that relationship with yourself and prioritize that relationship before any other relationship, because you are going to be challenged you're going to be challenged all the time. If you're trying to pursue something different to those around you, something that is close to your heart, you're following your own path, your calling, you will be challenged by people around you. You will definitely be challenged all the time. How are you going to hold your ground? What is your structure in those moments? If you're being authentic and then someone says, I don't like this is awful, how are you going to respond to that? I wasn't strong enough in the past to, and I still am not perfect, but I recognize the importance of this now, and I can hold my ground way better than when I first started off. But yeah, if someone would tell me, I don't like this is not good, even though I personally really enjoyed something that I created, or it was something that I felt very strongly, I wasn't strong enough because I didn't have a good enough relationship with myself to back myself up in those moments. It would bother me so much. I would feel so awful. I would feel really beaten down by people's comments and criticism. It would affect me a lot, and I would start to question myself. Is this right? Am I doing the right thing? And this video basically I'm basically trying to let you guys know if you do suffer with these doubts and these insecurities, that the answer is actually to get to know yourself better and to continue being authentic in those moments. Even when your authenticity is being questioned, continue doing you, because You can't live your life according to someone else. It's only going to last so long. You're going to then try something else and something else, and you're not going to end up building a structure or a base. That you have to have a firm base if you want to be dealing with the all the criticism that you will be getting. So if there's something that just you need to know if you're pursuing an independent path, is that you will be criticized. There will be infinite challenges, but the thing that you can have control over, because you can't really control those external factors or other people's opinions, right? You can have control over how you react and what you do in those moments. Continue, if you're being authentic, if you know that you're doing your best and you're working hard and you're staying true to yourself, that's the important thing, and you will get through anything. Eventually your structure is going to be stronger than other people's random opinions. And get to know yourself first. Ask yourself the difficult questions so that you can build a firmer, stronger foundation for when you're dealing with challenges in your external environment that you cannot control for. It's all happening. Details, the mess. Staying true to yourself is difficult to do when you're being challenged constantly, when you're being unique, when you're just being you, but it is worth it in the long term. So think further than just this very moment. And we're coming to an end with this painting. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please hit the subscribe button. It helps support me in making these videos for you guys. I'm doing my best to share content that I think would benefit you guys in some way. So also feel free to write a comment below of any topics that you would like me to cover. Ciao guys.